Hi there, my name is Yasmin. I'm one of the doctors working at St Bartholomew's Hospital's intensive care unit, and I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who's staying in isolation and following government guidelines. I know it's not easy and it's really taking its toll. One way that I've been achieving sort of tranquility on my days off is to do a bit of gardening, and there has been research in recent years that's shown that gardening can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression and improve things like your self-rated quality of life. So inspired by the Conservation Foundation's Gardening Against the Odds, I thought that I would do some at home. So one way that I've been growing my seedlings is in little egg cartons. So I thought I would just show you these now. So there's one which has some broad beans in, and I actually just picked up those seeds at my local supermarket. And then I've got another one here with sunflower seeds in, and they actually don't look that different from the ones that you put in a salad. And those I just happen to have at home, but you can just buy those online, no problem. So I'll just cover those over with a bit more soil, and just to prove to you how much of an amateur I am, my shovel is actually a salad spoon. So these are some lovely plants that I got from a local lady who is selling small plants in East London. So I bought them off her as a sort of community initiative, and she dropped them round to my front garden. And I've made this lovely window box while I've been at home on my morning off. And then another thing that I've got is a little on my windowsill, a little plum tomato plant. And I've had a few salads from that because the sun's been really strong during April, and that's been fantastic. So that's just one way that I'm spending my time when I'm at home, and I find that the gardening is really therapeutic and really helps to settle my mind.